Okay, exercise 3.2, fifth problem. Exercise 3.2, we have to do the fifth problem. Okay, page number 33. Who are coming online also, keep your textbooks with you and you have to do all the problems. After coming here, you have to show me the notes once. Okay. Now, exercise 3.2, page number 33, fifth question we have to do. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. And 3, if 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. So let the numerator of the fraction be x and denominator of the fraction be y. Okay, so it is a fraction. We will have the numerator and denominator. Numerator we will take it as x and the denominator as y. So fraction will be what? It is equal to x by y. Fraction will be equal to x by y. Now what is telling? If 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, you are adding 2 for both. So x plus 2 by y plus 2. Okay. So that is equal to 9 by 11. That is equal to 9 by 11. The first equation here, cross multiply. So 11 into x plus 2 will be equal to 9 into y plus 2. Right? Simplify this. We will get 11x plus 22 will be equal to 9y plus 9 2s are 18. Okay. So we get 11x minus 9y. If I am transposing 9y to the other side, it will become minus 9y and 22 to the RHS. We get minus 22 plus 18. So 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22. So how much you will get? It will 22 minus 18 is 4. Put the sign of the bigger number. So it is minus 4. Similarly, find the second equation now. He's telling if 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Similarly, find the second equation. So we have got 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. The first equation. What about the second one? Now you have to add 3 on both the sides, both numerator and the denominator. That will be equal to 5 by 6. That is x plus 3 by y plus 3 should be equal to 5 by 6. Cross multiply. 6 into x plus 3 is equal to 5 into y plus 3. So we get 6x plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 15. So we can write 6x is equal to 5y. 18 if you shift to the other side, 15 minus 18 will be minus 3. So you will get minus. Or x is equal to 5y minus 3 by 6. Now instead of x, you can substitute 5y minus 3 by 6 in the first equation. Okay. You will get the y value. First equation is 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4, right? Then x is equal to what? Take one. Then x is equal to 5y minus 3 by 6. Now instead of x, substitute this value. 11 into 5y minus 3 by 6. minus 9y is equal to minus 4. So 6, if I take the LCM, it will be 6 here. 11 into 5 will be 55y minus 33. Okay. 6 by 6 is 1. 1 into numerator will be 1 itself. Okay. So here 6 by 1 is 6. 6 into 9 is equal to minus 4. Okay. 55 minus 54 will be y. Y minus 33 will be equal to 6 into 4. So we get x is equal to 7. Okay. So fraction will be 7 by 9. Fraction will be 7 by 9. Huh. Now the last problem in this main, sixth one. Listen once here. Age related problem. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present age? So he's trying to give the age before 5 years and after 5 years. Okay, relation between the son and the Jacob. Okay, so here you have to write the equation such a way that they are telling the relationship between the ages. Okay, so whenever the age problem will be there, you have to take the present age. Okay, first consider the present age as x and y. Okay, so after 5 years means it will be like x plus 5. Okay, before 5 years means it is x minus 5. Okay, age related problems again I repeat, see, first the present age of two person, take it as x and y. Okay, if he is telling like 5 years hence means after 5 years his age will be, now if it is x, so after 5 years his age will become x plus 5 and y's age will become y plus 5. So then he is telling about the age 5 years ago. Before 5 years, his age will be x minus 5 and y minus 5. Okay, you have to consider like that. According to the statement, you have to write the equation. Now, let the age of Jacob be x and his son be y. Okay, 5 years hence, after 5 years, Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. Okay, after 5 years. So, after 5 years, his age will be x plus 5. Okay, but what will be son's age? Son's age is also y plus 1, y plus 5. Okay, and what is the relation he is giving? It is 3 times that of his son. So, 3 times will be 3 times of y plus 5. Okay. At that time, age will become x plus 5. That will be equal to 3 times of his son's age. So, 3 times of son's age at that time will be y plus 5. So, 3 times of y plus 5. Now, the first equation will be x plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 15. Okay. Now, I can write it as x minus 3y is equal to 15 minus 5, that is 10. So this is the first equation. Now 5 years ago. So next statement, 5 years ago, before 5 years, his age will be x minus 5. Correct? And son's age will be y minus 5. And what is the relation he is giving? It is equal to 7 times that of his son. So at that time, his age was 7 times that of his son. So 7 times of y minus 5. So what we will get here, x minus 5 is equal to 7y minus 7 into 5, that is 35. So x minus 7y is equal to minus 35 plus 5. Okay, I am transposing the minus 5 here. Minus 5 will become plus 5. So, x minus 7y is equal to minus 35 plus 5, or x minus 7y is equal to minus 20. Second equation. Now solve for x and y. Okay. Solve for x and y and tell me the what is x and what is y. Later calculate and tell me what is
Ma'am,
x and
it's
what is y. Huh. What is that?
ma'am, it's minus 30.
Minus 10. So minus 30. Mhm. So two equations are there. Now find x and y. So I can write x is equal to minus 30 plus 7y. So instead of x, put minus 30 plus 7y and substitute and find the x value. Y is? Correct. X is 40. Correct. So here x is equal to minus 30 plus 7y. Substitute that in the first equation. So what we get, substitute x, okay, x in equation 1. So we get minus 30 plus 7y minus 3y is equal to 10. 7 minus 3 will be 4. So 4y is equal to 10. Minus 30 will become plus 30. So 4y is equal to 40. Y is equal to 40 by 4. So y is equal to 10. We get y is equal to 10. Now substitute the x is equal to what? Minus 30 plus 7y. So x will be equal to, correct. X is equal to minus 30 plus 7 into 10. So x is equal to 4. Okay. In exam also many times they ask age related problems. Any question they can frame and they can give here. So always remember present age, take it as x and y. So after like in the future, if they are telling it will be plus, maybe after 7 years means x plus 7. So before 5 years means x minus 5, like that. And according to that, whatever he has given the statement, according to that, you should write the equation. Okay. Now we will start with the exercise 3.3. Okay. So the first means solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and the substitution method. So we have to use both the methods to solve it here. Okay. So first and two, I think I remember doing it in the class before the holidays. So we will do the third and fourth one. Okay, one problem I will do so that who are absent to the class, they will be able to understand. Okay, elimination method. Third one in this. First main, third question. 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. Then 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. So there are two equations. 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Two equations are there. Okay. So listen once. Elimination method. In the elimination method, we will try to eliminate one variable and we will try to keep the only one. How to eliminate? If the values are like, see, for example, 4x and minus 4x is there. So when you add two equations, 4x minus 4x will become 0. So we can eliminate one. Only y will be there. You can find. Okay, like that. So first thing what we have to do is one variable we have to make it equal. 1 plus other minus. Try to eliminate that when you are adding so that only one variable will be there. You can find the solution. Okay, here 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. So 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. So
Ma'am, the
I
second
will,
equation is wrong.
yeah.
Second equation is wrong.
What is the equation?
9x equals 2y plus 7.
That's why what I have done is 9x minus 2y. Okay, wait. 9x is equal to 2y plus 7, right? I have taken minus 2y to the LHS. So now it will become 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Okay. So what I
Yes.
have done is 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. I want x and y in the one LHS. In the RHS, I keep the constant. So what I did, 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Okay. And now to eliminate, we have to make one variable equal. Let us consider here y. Okay. This is 5 and this is 2. So I will multiply the first equation by 2. Okay. So whenever you are multiplying with any number, you have to multiply every element of that. Okay. So then you are not changing the meaning of that. What happened? Oh, okay. What happened? Okay, okay, okay. You have fever, huh? Okay, it's fine. So 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. So multiply by 2. The whole equation you multiply by 2. 2 into 3 is 6x. 5 into 2 is 10. Minus 10y is equal to 4 into 2. It is 8. Okay. First equation I am multiplying by 2. Second equation, here I have got 10. Even here I need 10. So what I will do, I will multiply by 5. I will multiply the whole equation by 5. So now what I will get, 9 into 5 is 45. So 45x minus 5 into 2 is 10. 10y is equal to 7 5s are 35. So in the elimination method, first what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make the variables equal. So first one I'm multiplying with 2 and second one I'm multiplying with 5. Okay. 6 and 8. Now, if I add these two, I will get minus 20y, right? So what I will do, I will change the sign of the second equation. Both are the same only. No? So I will change the sign of the second equation. So plus will become minus, minus will become plus. And here plus is there, that will become minus. So if I add these two equations, what I will get here, it is plus minus 45 plus 6. Minus 45 plus 6. So I will get minus 45 minus 6. You will get 39. So minus 39 x minus 10y plus 10y will be 0. That is equal to plus 8 minus 35. So you have 35 minus 8. So how much you will get? You will get 27. Okay. So x will be equal to minus 27 by minus 39. So minus by minus will be equal to plus. So x is equal to 27 by 39. So when you simplify, how much you will get? 9 by 30. So x is equal to 9 by 30. Written. Now, put the x value in any of the equation. I will take this first one itself, which is simple. So 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. So instead of x, I will put 9 by 13. 3 into 9 by 13 minus 5y is equal to 4. Okay. So here 9 3s are 27. 27 by 13 minus 5y is equal to 4. 5y, I will shift to the RHS, 4 to the LHS. So what I will get, 5y is equal to 27 by 13 minus 4. Now simplify, you will get the answer. 5y is equal to 52 minus 12. So y will be equal to minus 5 by 13. Y will be equal to minus 5 by 13. Okay, simplify this, you will get the answer. So y will be equal to minus 5 by 13. Understood or not? Have doubt? Huh? Okay. Who have understood, who have not understood elimination method still? Still you have doubt? Okay, we'll do another problem. So see here, what we have done is we are trying to make the same values. Okay. So first equation I multiplied by 2, second I multiplied by 5. Whenever you are multiplying, you have to multiply every element of the equation. Okay. So 2 into 3 is 6. 5 into 2 is 10. 4 into 2 is 8. So 6x minus 10y is equal to 8. Second one, I have multiplied by 5. 9 5s are 45. 45x minus 10 by is equal to 7 5s are 35. Okay, if I add directly here, listen, if you add directly here, we will get here minus 10 by minus 10 by is what? You will get minus 20 by, but I want to cancel that. So what I will do, I will change the sign. Sign also, if you are changing, you have to change every element. Okay. Here plus is there will become minus, minus will become plus, and plus will become minus. Now this is the sign. Now minus 45x plus 6x. Minus 45 plus 6, you will get minus 39x. And minus 10y plus 10y will be 0. So that is equal to minus 35 plus 8, that is minus 27. So x is equal to minus 27 by minus 39. Minus into minus plus, x is equal to, simplify this, you will get 9 by 30. Okay. Now substitute in any of the equation. I'll take the first one itself. See, these two are the same itself. Just we are multiplying with some value. These two equations are same and this equation is same to this. They are not different. Okay. Now I am considering the first equation. 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. Now substitute x as 9 by 13. 3 into 9 by 13 minus 5y is equal to 4. So 3 into 9 is 27. 27 by 13 minus 5y is equal to 4. Now minus 5y shift to the other side, transpose to the other side, it will become plus 5y. So if you want, you can write another step like this. Okay. Now 5y is equal to 27 by 13 minus 4. Simplify this, you will get the y. Second one, fourth one in this problem also we will do once you will understand. Write down this, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. Second equation, x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Okay. So 2 and 3, you have a fraction here, correct? So first take the LCM, simplify, then do the elimination method. Now x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. LCM will be 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. So what you will get? LCM by denominator. 6 by 2 is 3. That 3 you are multiplying with x. So you will get 3x. Plus 6 by 3 is 2. That 2 you have to multiply with 2y. So you will get 4y. E is equal to minus 1. So 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. This is the first equation. What about this? Here LCM of 1 and 3 will be 3. LCM by denominator here, first one. 3 by 1 is 3. That 3 you have to multiply with the numerator. You will get 3x. Minus 3 by 3 is 1. 1 into y. 1 into minus y will be minus y only. That is equal to 3. Now 3 into 3 is 9. So 3x minus y is equal to 9. Second equation. Okay. So we have two equations now. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. And 3x minus y is equal to 9. Now, let's change this. Yeah, here no need to multiply because both are 3x itself. Correct? Same numbers are there. If I add, I will get 6x, but I have to cancel them. So I will change the sign. Here it will become minus, minus will become plus, and plus will become minus here. Now the sign is minus here. Plus 3x minus 3x is 0. 4y plus y is 5y. Now that is equal to minus 9 minus 6. So minus 15. So y is equal to minus 15 by 5. Y is equal to minus 3. Okay, minus 3. So got. Now substitute in any of the equation. I'll consider this 3x minus y is equal to 9. I will substitute the y value. So 3x minus y is equal to 9. I'm putting the value of y here. So 3x minus of minus 3 is equal to 9. 3x minus into minus plus 3 is equal to 9. 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 3. X is equal to 2. Second main, first question. I'll just write the statement. You have to calculate x and y. Okay, everyone. Now, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. So there is a fraction. First, we'll take it denominator, numerator and denominator as x and y. Let the numerator of the fraction be x and denominator of the fraction be y. Now what is telling? If we add 1 to the numerator, so it is x plus 1. And subtract 1 from the denominator. So from the denominator, you subtract 1. So what you will get? The fraction reduces to 1. This is the first one. Okay, simplify this. So cross multiply x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. Or y shift to the other side, x minus y is equal to minus 2. First equation. Then it becomes 1 by 2. The fractions becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. So numerator, keep it as it is. If you add 1 to the denominator, we get it as 1 by 2. Okay. So again we repeat. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. So x by y plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiply. 2x is equal to y plus 1. 2x minus y is equal to 1. Second equation. Now solve for x and y. Do it elimination method you have to do. Use elimination method to find x and y. So what are the two equations we have? 2x minus y is equal to 1. X minus y is equal to minus 2. So if I change the sign, minus y plus y is 0. 2x minus x is x. So that is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. Now substitute x value in any of the equation. Here x minus y is equal to minus 2. 3x is equal to 3. So 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. So 3 is equal to minus 2 plus y, or y is equal to 5. Okay. Next, read the second one and do the second. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice and as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? Okay. So this is a question. Let the age of let the age of Noori be X and Sonu be Y. Okay. So 5 years ago means 5 years before. Okay, 5 years before her age will be X minus 5. 5 years before. 5 years before. Okay, her age will be X minus 5. And Sonu's age will be Y minus 5. Okay. At that time, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So she was 3 times the age of Sonu. So X minus 5 is equal to 3 times of Y minus 5. We get X minus 5 is equal to 3 by 3 minus 15. Or X minus 3Y is equal to minus 15 plus 5. So X minus 3Y is equal to minus 10. First equation. 10 years later, after 10 years. So Noori's age will be X plus 10. Sonu's age will be Y plus 10. Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. So X plus 10 will be equal to 2 times of Y plus 10. Now simplify, find the second equation and find X and Y. Got X minus 2Y is equal to 10. Yeah. We have find X and Y value.
Ma'am, I got x is equal to 50 and y is equal to 20.
Correct. Here, elimination method is easy because both you have already X, right? Directly you can find. Okay. So X minus 3Y is equal to minus 10. X minus 2Y is equal to 10. Now change the sign. Cancel here. Minus 3Y plus 2Y is equal to minus Y is equal to minus 20 or Y is equal to 20. So what about X? X minus 2Y is equal to 10. So X is equal to 10 plus 2Y, that is 2 into 20. So X is equal to 50.
Here we will end the today's class. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. If the content of this channel is useful, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.